Hey guys, do you know how much elixir need? Upgrade your animal into level 200. I'm sure you don't know that. Most people upgrade level 200, but no anyone know how much elixir need to upgrade animal. Few days ago I'm level up crocodile without upgrading health. Now it's level 199, but I'm upgrade power and speed little bit. Without power and speed, we cannot hunt animals. You know that, but I do not upgrade health. Now we can check how much elixir we need upgrade full health. You know, this all same elixir count we need upgrade. Power and speed, that same count with health. If we found one, we can find full animal elixir. I know your next question, how level up without upgrading health? That's how easy, it's like a spider and upgrade. Okay guys, let's find out how much elixir we need. Defeat the spider and defeat Megalania. Okay well, let's go to upgrade. Guys, I'm not sure opening chest. If I show that video getting longer. Now I have 152 health. It's upgraded. Already upgraded too. This is first 9999 elixir. More I don't have elixir. I'm just buying using acorns. This is second 9099 elixir. Look guys how much health I got. 944 health in first 19,000 elixir. This video duration very long, I try speed up. First defeat the spider. First defeat Megalania. And again first defeat the spider. We have lot of coins now. Third 9,999. We have before get 944 health. Here we upgrade next elixir. Alright, now we have 1136 health. Let's try 4th 9999. Don't have elixir but I have acorns. Need buy some. Okay, let's upgrade now. Now we get 1286 health. Not bad guys, let's try 4th elixir count. 4th 9999 elixir. Now health 1418. We don't have any more acorns left. Now need hunt boss back. Okay, first chance for Megalania. Number 2 the spider. Number 3 again we hunt Megalania. Okay, let's try 6 9999. I think health you remember 1418. Well, let's do this. After that we got health 1544. So I think guys we have more actors now. Let's try 7 9999 elixir. We can buy some elixir using acorns. Now we have 1658 health. Okay, let's try 8 9999 elixir. Lot of acorns we have. We can buy some elixir. Okay, after upgrading this we have 1766 health. Now we don't have any more acorns. Defeat the spider. And again defeat Megalania. Again defeat the spider. Number 9 9999 elixir. I've wasted a lot of time for this video. Find this correct elixir count. Now we got 1868 health. Next 10 9999 elixir. We can buy this elixir from acorns. Okay guys, just now we have 1958. We have more lot of coins after opening chest. This is 11 9999. Not bad, now we have 2048 health. I don't have any more acorns. Let's hunt some bosses. Defeating spider. Defeating Megalania. Next, again defeating spider. This is 12 9,999. Crocodile health now 2,138. Let's try 13, 9,999. So now we get crocodile health 2,216. We need hunt again in spider, we don't have elixir or acrons. Back again Megalania. We have a lot of time after hunting spider, we can hunt Megalania. And again back to spider, this is the pattern. Do you remember guys before health? Let's go to 13, 9,999. Now guys, we so close to level 200. What do you think guys, how much elixir we need for level 200? Do you have any idea? Alright, now we got 2,300 health. Let's try 14, 9,999. We need buy it using acrons. After finish it, we have 2,378 health. Let's try 15. 9,999 back again. Buy it using acrons and upgrade health. Wow guys, now we so close to level 200. Now we have 2,444 health. Wait, but now we don't have any acrons left. Let's hunt the spider. And back again Megalania. And back the spider. That is the best way to earn coins. Let's go upgrade crocodile again. 16th, 9,999. Done, we have upgraded health. Now 2,516 health we have. Okay, let's go to 17th, 4,814. This is last one. We can buy it using acrons. Wait guys, we have a little problem. We don't have crocodile level 200. Let me upgrade crocodile. In level 199 we have health 2,528. After we get level 200 just like this. I don't have before crocodile level 200. It means guys, I don't know how much health it have. Level 200 crocodile it have 2,540 health. This is total elixir count, but it can be changed. We can use same count with power and SP. This is full elixir count level 1 to 200.